Let's talk about the recently launched TECNO smartphone Pop 9 with flat design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole, dynamic port display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with single camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8 with dual LED flash. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 Go Edition operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T615 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 3 GB, 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 3 GB, 4 GB extended RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.62 by 77.01 by 8.35 mm, and it weighs around 189 grams, and the color options, Star Trail Black, glittery white colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, dual speakers with DTS sound support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO Pop 9 has been priced in Nigeria for 3 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 114,000 Nigerian naira, while the 3 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 127,000 Nigerian naira, while the 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 131,600 Nigerian naira, while the expected price for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 19,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Pop 9 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.